sorry ass DJ.
Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Link that came off. Show everybody the link. Everybody wants to see it. Oh snap! Oh wow! Okay. Yeah, that is not rideable no more, my friends. Yeah. On the side of Bowers and US 52. The chain snap on this R6. Look at this, boys. Wow. Yeah. That's good that it didn't actually like snap off. Got the bike on the trailer. Yes, sir. Getting ready to go back to Charlotte.
If you guys thought we were all salty due to the broken chain, the missing link, you were wrong. Because we all still had a great time. Everyone made it back home safe. Good old day. The missing link shall get fixed, and we shall ride again. Yes, sir. Go ahead and smash that like button for me, for the YouTube algorithm. pick up my videos and distribute it to other people and places, give me one of these. Please and thank you. Also, comment down below what you think about the style of editing, this video in general. Comment below if you enjoy these motorcycle videos, or if you like the car racing videos. Let me know if you enjoy the car meet videos more. Last but not least, subscribe to this channel. Yes, you. I'm looking at you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any awesome content in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one.